We're at the Birmingham airport right now, and we've got some guests here from a few of the surrounding airports. What we're showing them is rapid set concrete mix and how we're able to do full depth repairs, panel replacements for them in a much shorter window, pulling structural strength in just about an hour or two.
Rapid set cement concrete is perfect for airports and highways. Airports especially, because they don't have the opportunity to shut their runways down for long periods of time. Typically, an airport will have 1 or 2 runways, and with today's heavy traffic, there's very short windows of time to repair and remove and replace pavement. So with rapid set, they can come in the late evening and remove panels and be handling takeoffs and landings within a matter of hours. What you see behind here to my right is a volumetric concrete mixer, and unlike the typical concrete trucks that you might see, the drum or barrel mixer that spins as it drives along the highway with wet concrete in it, this is basically a portable batch plant. So you have a bin that has your coarse aggregate, your large size aggregate, your fine aggregate, your sand, and those are separate. And then you have your cement bin and also a water tank. So it's almost like a tube of toothpaste. You can produce as much or as little concrete as you want and completely control the consistency and the freshness of that concrete.
The material that they're using now is having some inconsistency problems and is having some delays and failures, and a lot of it is due to the fluctuation in temperature. When it's colder, the material's taking much longer to set up, and during summertime it's going off too quick and very hard to work with. So the rapid set products are going to give these guys, and what hopefully we're going to show today, is the flexibility of the materials. So during the colder season, by making some small modifications to the mix, you can still keep the workability, still be able to get that quick speed that you need, and during the summer months, adjust it with a little bit of plasticizer and be able to extend the working time and pull your high early strengths as quickly as possible.
Well, we poured 2 test slabs here today, one at a high slump, about a 7-8 inch slump, and we got strength in about 2 hours. And then we poured another slab at a very low slump, 1 to 2 inch slump. And what we're trying to do there is show that you could have a very low slump concrete, such as that required by a paving machine, and at the same time have plenty of working time and to get a good finish on the concrete as well.
They just pulled the cover on that second one there, so it's been in place for about 35 minutes. Temperature's already heating up to about 85 degrees, which means it's kicking off nice and strong, and those guys will be walking on it in about another 5 minutes.
Really, the key to the success of CTS and rapid set has been there's this general conception that anything that's fast, rapid strength concrete, is not necessarily durable or long lasting, but that's where we really distinguish ourselves. Rapid set CSA cement concrete is not only fast, you can get structural strength in a matter of hours, as little as 1 hour, but it's much more durable than even ordinary Portland cement concrete. So some studies have shown that the fatigue lifetime of the rapid set cement concrete is twice that of Portland cement concrete. So not only are you talking about something that's fast and can return the project to service very soon, but it's more long-lasting and more durable. Not to mention the reduced carbon footprint. Ordinary Portland cement manufacture contributes to about 5% of the world's output of CO2. With rapid set calcium sulfoaluminate cement, we have a 33% reduction in carbon output per ton of cement. So it's a very green product.
What we were here to prove was that you could pour the concrete mix and still continue the repairs and the work that need to be done in these colder temperatures. And really for London Heathrow, if they can make use of the winter months like they can with summer, they're going to be able to get more volume and keep those runways going.